Welcome to the fast-paced world of YouTube content creation. The first step on your journey? Finding your niche. Could be gaming, travel, DIY projects, or even beauty tutorials. The key is to differentiate yourself, focus, and target your content. Step 2. Publish quality content. Content that's engaging, informative, and well-produced. Thirdly, optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords and craft compelling descriptions. Next, build a community. Engage with your viewers, respond to their feedback, and foster a sense of camaraderie. Don't forget to utilize social media, a powerful tool for reach and engagement. Incentives can also be a game changer. Regular uploads, creative content, and viewer interaction can motivate viewers to subscribe. Calls to action are essential. Direct, clear, and concise. Collaborate with others. Find those with a similar audience and work together. Keep a keen eye on YouTube analytics. Understand what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategy accordingly. Consistency is key. A regular publishing schedule keeps viewers engaged and coming back for more. Stay authentic. Share your unique personality and perspective. Don't just follow trends. And lastly, be patient. Success doesn't come overnight. Stay consistent and don't give up. Remember, your YouTube journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Good luck.